Hello, good afternoon. Let us start a very important topic of JEE, that is AM, GM and HM inequality. So we are going to start AM, GM, HM inequality. So AM, GM inequality states that if we have let A1, A2 dot dot AN be n positive real numbers, So if we have n positive real numbers, then AM is basically arithmetic mean. AM is arithmetic mean. This is basically the sum of all numbers A1 plus A2 plus dot dot AN divided by the total numbers. This is arithmetic mean. And the geometric mean GM is what? The product of all numbers A1, A2 dot dot AN take nth root. This is GM. And the third mean is harmonic mean, that is the total numbers n divided by the sum of the reciprocals of all numbers, 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 plus dot dot 1 by AN. These are arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. They are relations. Now we are going to discuss relations between them. The first relation is AM is greater than or equal to GM is greater than or equal to HM. So AM is greater than or equal to HM. This is applicable when the numbers are not known. They are equal or not. So if we don't know the numbers are equal or not equal, then we will use this inequality. Let us have an example for that. Example 1. If A, B, C are positive real numbers, then prove that A by B, B by C, C by A greater than or equal to 3. We have to prove this one, A by B, B by C plus C by A is greater than or equal to 3. For that A, B, C are positive real numbers. So A by B, B by C and C by A are also positive real numbers. So use AM is greater than or equal to GM in these three numbers. So in these three numbers we use AM is greater than or equal to GM is greater than or equal to HM. So arithmetic mean of these three numbers A by B, B by C, C by A divided by 3 is greater than or equal to geometric mean of these three numbers A by B, B by C, C by A whole power 1 by 3. So if we see that this cancelled out with this one, C cancelled with this one, A cancelled with A, so this becomes 1, and after cross multiplication A by B, B by C, C by A, this is greater than or equal to 3 and this is proved. So first examples, we have used AM is greater than or equal to GM inequality. Now let us take another example, example 2. So in these examples we have, if x, y, z are positive real numbers, then prove that x plus y plus z into 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is greater than or equal to 9. We have to prove this one. So let us solve this question. So for this question, x, y, z are positive real numbers. So AM is greater than or equal to GM is greater than or equal to HM. We know AM is greater than GM and GM is greater than HM. So we can say that AM is also greater than or equal to HM. So let us consider x, y, z are the three different positive real numbers. Then the AM of the three numbers is x plus y plus z divided by 3, and their HM is what? 3 divided by 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Now after the cross multiplication we get x plus y plus z into 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is greater than or equal to 9. This 3 multiplied by this 3 and this multiplied by this. So we get this, which is proved. Our result is proved now. So we see that when the numbers are not known, they are positive real numbers are different or not, then we will use AM is greater than or equal to GM is greater than or equal to HM. Now we are going to second result. We are going to use second result, that is second one, AM is equal to GM is equal to HM. This is applicable if numbers are equal. A1 is equal to A2 is equal to A3 dot AM. When the numbers are equal, then we will use AM is equal to GM is equal to HM. So let us have an example for that. If the equations if the equation x cube minus 3x square plus ax minus 1 equal to 0 have its roots are positive and real, then find value of a. We have to find the value of a if the equations has positive real roots. So for solving these questions, we observe that x cube minus 3x square plus ax minus 1 equal to 0, this has three positive real roots, alpha, beta, gamma. These are three positive real roots, and we see that the sum of root alpha plus beta plus gamma minus b by a minus of minus 3 by 1, this is equal to 3, and the product of root alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus plus minus minus of minus 1 by 1, this is equal to 1. So if we calculate AM of the numbers, if we calculate the AM of the three numbers alpha, beta, gamma, AM is alpha plus beta plus gamma by 3. So put the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma, 3 divided by 3, it will becomes 1. So AM is one of these three numbers. If we calculate GM of the three numbers, then alpha, beta, gamma whole power 1 by 3. But we have alpha, beta, gamma is 1. So 1 की power 1 by 3, that is also equal to 1. We observe that here AM is equal to GM. So we get that AM equal to GM. This is possible when the numbers are equal, means alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Our concept states that if AM, GM, HM are equal, then the numbers in which AM, GM, HM inequality are used, those numbers are also equal. Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 3 and alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. This give you alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, all are 1. All are 1. So our equations will be, so our equation will be x minus 1 cube equal to 0. That is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Compare with x cube minus 3x square plus ax minus 1 equal to 0. We get a equal to 3. This is our answer. So we observed that if AM equal to GM equal to HM, then the numbers are equal. Now the third case, let us discuss the third case. If the numbers A1 is not equal to A2 is not equal to A3 is not equal to AM, then we use AM is greater than GM is greater than HM. So if the numbers are unequal, then AM is strictly greater than GM is strictly greater than HM. For this, let us solve a question for that. Now let us solve a question for that. So for example, if n is a natural number, then prove that n की power n is greater than 1 into 3 into 5 dot dot 2n minus 1. So if n is a natural number, then we have to prove this one. So for solving this question, AM is greater than GM will be used in 1 3 5 dot dot 2n minus 1. So the numbers are 1 3 5 dot dot 2n minus 1. So use AM is greater than GM in this. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot dot 2n minus 1, n numbers divided by n, their AM is greater than their GM, 1 into 3 into 5 dot dot 2n minus 1 and nth root for that. So this is AP. The sum is what? N by 2 first plus last 1 plus 2n minus 1 divided by n is greater than 1 into 3 into 5 dot dot 2n minus 1 whole power 1 by n. So this one cancel out with this one, 2 cancel out with this one, and this is basically n cancelled out with this one. So n greater than 1 into 3 into 5 dot dot 2n minus 1 1 by n. So raise power n both side, n की power n 1 3 5 dot dot 2n minus 1. So our result is proved now. Thank you. Hope this answered the questions. Thank you very much.